Hey guys, my name is Chris Brumley. I'm the owner of River City Flooring. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about carpeting. A lot of people are asking questions on what type of texture should I buy, what rooms should I put a Berber in, or what's a plush and what's a multicolored texture. So I got some samples here. We got plushes, patterns, Berbers, level loops, and of course textured pieces that have the multicolors. So I'm gonna go through each one and kind of give you some pointers on what to look for and how to buy your carpet. So plushes are exactly what it sounds like. It's a plush. It's a nice soft carpet. But a lot of people don't like vacuum marks. So when you have a plush, get ready because it can leave vacuum marks. Now some of you love vacuum marks. You want to see your vacuum and leave the tracing of the marks. So this is the one you should get. But this is good for your living rooms, bedrooms. Now you got to know too, the taller the yarn, the more it has to fall. So you got to be careful and not buy a carpet that's too thick or too tall, because that means it could mat more. So the lower profile carpets do wear a lot better. So just know that plush will leave vacuum marks and footprints. The next style is textures. Textures got a little crimp in the yarn, has a little bit of texture, but recently they've added a lot of multicolors. This is great to hide those vacuum marks. This is great for family rooms, bedrooms. People ask, well, what's a good carpet for children and pets? This is perfect because it's going to show less wear. Most products come in multiple different weights, and of course there's a lot of different colors, a lot of tones you can pull off, those beige, those gray tones. So the multicolored textures is perfect for the family type of carpet. So the next category is loop. A lot of you guys have heard the word Berber. Berber is not as popular as it used to be because it had this really defined pattern, but the loops now, or Berber, is more flatter loop. This is great for basements. This is great for high traffic areas, family rooms. It doesn't show any traffic patterns, and it's made out of really good yarn systems. And again, it has a large color selection to choose from. Got to be a little careful with seams. You want to know where to put the seams, put them in the right place when the installer puts it in, because this is a little harder to seam than a plush or a texture. But Berber or level loop is what this is called. Okay, and lastly is the pattern pieces. Pattern is kind of a combination between a loop and a plush. They actually make it in two different loops, and they come back and shear off the top loop to make it a pattern. But there's a lot of different patterns to choose from. This kind of gives you that formal look. We do a lot of bedrooms with this. It's got square patterns, we got round patterns, we got all types of colors. Your imagination, it just can go wild with pattern carpets. But this really kind of gives you that formal look, and it wears really well. So when you're ready to buy your carpet, we do free estimates. Call us here at River City Flooring, or go to our website and hit request an estimate.